Cool, I hope you're still with me. We are on the end line almost, and we have a look how to export that stuff. And as I said, we want to use these black parts later in a mix shader for the glass one, and we need to export this isolation mask here as well, and that's pretty easy to do. We can insert here a new channel by tap on the keyboard and type in channel and give it a name, glass underscore ISO for isolation mask, and make it black with an alpha of 1 just to be sure we don't have any alpha values, and that's fine. And we can look where we have stored the glass material. Here we have it, and we simply can hook up here the paint node. And just to double check, we can quickly look through it. Perfect. So it will export this channel as well, so we have it as textures later. So let's switch here quickly to the shader, and I think that's looking very nice so far. I mean, as I said, I speeded a bit the process here to not add all the details on every spot. I recommend do that on your end. So spend a bit of time working it out with the techniques I've shown here and add a bit more life to it. So to export our textures, we have here this button. It's called the Export Manager, and you can see we have all the channels which we have stored here in our node graph. And here we don't want to use the full name, so we can rename it quickly here in the object. And was it the info? Yes, here we can rename it. So you can see that in a minute why I'm doing that. So press OK. Now it's just called Mari Robot. So here we can see all the data or all the info. So it's a 4K texture, how the color space is transformed, or how it's exporting it, bit of this 8-bit. And here is the little code for the naming. And we want to insert here a dollar, entity, and underscore. And entity means it will take the name of the object and puts it into the naming of the texture. So we can Control A, Control C, apply that to everything here. We can choose our export path, desktop, not the Chappy, Mari Robot, textures. We can create here a new one, call him Mari. Then choose and export all. I mean, that's it. And I will create now the Maya file and hook there all the textures up. And we can do the last video, I guess. So see you then. Bye bye.